Hey y'all, happy quarantine. Today we're going to unbox my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box for the month of April. The boxes are really big this month. It looks like the size of the Ultimate box. So I'm kind of hoping there's going to be some big products or really good products in here. Ipsy's let me down a few times recently on this box, so fingers crossed it's going to be a good one. All right, they definitely did not need this giant box because, yeah, it's mostly empty. So we actually have a card this month. I feel like we don't always get these, but I'm glad that we did this month. And the theme is full bloom. So I'm sure the bag will be bloom related, but in my experience, the products don't ever seem to be related to the theme. Here is my bag. I mean, it's cute. It has like this little wood ring that says Ipsy on it. It's the same size as the regular Ipsy bags. They just shape them round versus square. To be honest with you, I think I like the square ones better than the round one. I don't feel like it's really any bigger than the normal Ipsy bag is. And the green's just to me. If you got the regular Ipsy bag, you know that that bag was purple, like a light lavender, and I think that was really pretty. And even the Ultimate bag was much bigger, of course, and it was like a yellow, creamy kind of color. I liked both of those better than this one, but I left my face pretty bare so we could try some products out together today going through this, and I'm really disappointed because we got to pick one of our products, and I picked a palette. Yet, that palette is not in my box. So I guess it doesn't really matter that I picked it. I still didn't get it. The first item we have here is 2 sheet masks. They're from Starskin VIP. It says the MSRP for these are $30. Really? $30 for 2 sheet masks? That seems really overpriced to me. Hopefully they're miracle masks. They feel like they're pretty thick, but I'm pretty sure there's only one mask in here because you can't reseal it. So, okay, $15 for each one of these. All right, so the next item we have looks like it is a purifying facial mask and exfoliator. This mask here is by Lavido. That is a new brand to me. I've never heard of them. This is super pricey at $36, and it's pretty much just supposed to exfoliate your skin, remove dead skin cells, and leave your skin looking bright and new. All right, this is pretty small for $36. It is 1.69 fluid ounces or 50 milliliters. I feel like this cannot be the full size. I'm about to Google it and just see what the full size is. All right, well, I am shocked. On their website, this says this is $36. Now, it is exciting to me that it has pomegranate seed oil, lemon, and macadamia nut oil in it. So those are all really nice, fresh ingredients. I'm gonna open it and smell it. It does have a safety seal. Kind of looks like baby poop. It just smells like skincare. It doesn't smell good. I was kind of hoping that it would smell like pomegranate or have a nice, like, fresh smell to it. It just smells like skincare. All right, at least the next 3 items we can try out together today. The first one is this mascara from Ciate London, and this is the Triple Shot Mascara. This mascara retails for $22. Then we got the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. And this liner retails for $22. So you have a felt tip on one end and then a normal like twist up pencil on the other end. And then the third item is from Dose of Colors. And we have a liquid matte lipstick and Play It Cool. Looks like it's going to be a purple color. All right, I'm going to get a little closer to the camera here, and we're going to go ahead and try these 3 products on since they're what we got. Normally I'd put eyeshadow and stuff on, and well, Ipsy, you didn't give me the eyeshadow palette that I picked as my item in this bag, so we're not putting any eyeshadow on. We're going to go straight for liner. As you can see, we have a felt tip here, and then this end is a twist up. I'm going to start with the felt tip, and I'm going to try to use it on my top eyeliner. On my top eyeliner. On my top lid. Of course it's eyeliner. That's what I'm using it for. Oh, it's wet. I opened my eye. It's smeared. Alright, let's try this again. Not too bad. It's a little thick. I don't think you're gonna... My phone just keeps beeping. It's a little thick. I don't think you're gonna get a super fine line with it. But let's try this eye. This eye I can always do relatively well. It's this eye. No. It always comes out horrible. And I can usually hide it with eyeshadow. We don't have no eyeshadow on, so let's just see how bad it's gonna look. Okay, not too bad. Would definitely look better if I had eyeshadow. I actually really like this felt tip because it's a little bit more watery than most eyeliner pencils that are felt tip like this. I actually felt like I could get it on. Most felt tips, I'll try it 2 times and it gets all splotchy and cuts out and I'm like, nope, done. I am too afraid to like commit and like press down really hard and draw that line on. I am not experienced enough for that. But since it is really wet, can you see every time I open my eyes, it's getting up there. I need to let it dry for a minute. Let's let it dry. Now that we let that dry and I wiped my lip balm off, we're gonna go ahead and try the pencil liner on my under eye. I don't typically wear a lot of under eye liner. I feel like it makes my eyes look way smaller, but we're gonna do it today. Okay, so I like the felt tip a lot better than this tip. It looks like it's going to glide on super easily, but it really didn't. I kind of had to go over it several times. And it's black, but I feel like it could be darker. It's not as silky as like a Smashbox one. Alright, now it is time for us to try out the Ciate London Mascara. It says it's 2X. I have no eyelashes, as y'all can tell. So, praying this works. Interesting wand. Goes from like fat to thinner. I don't think that's a bad thing. The faces we make when we put on makeup, y'all, crack me up. Like if I had a bunch of stills of every time I put something on, I think it would be pretty funny. Alright, I zoomed you in a little bit closer so you can see I have 1 layer on this eye here, none on this eye. We're going to go ahead and do like probably 2 more layers because I typically wear like 3 to 4 layers if I'm not wearing false lashes. So we're going to keep going. Okay, I haven't even curled my lashes and wow, they are so much longer and so much more visible than they were before. And now, this might be my new go-to mascara. Okay, layer 3, I should have let it dry a little bit more. They got a little spider webby. But compared to this, I mean, you guys can see them. And I normally have nothing. I'm pretty impressed. I'm gonna go ahead and curl this side and then put 3 layers on just like I did this side. Okay, so I curled this side and I feel like I achieved the same look as this eye in 2 coats versus 3 coats. This mascara is really good. All right, so the last thing that we have that we're gonna try on today is Play It Cool by Dose of Colors. We're gonna do a swatch on my hand real quick. On my viewfinder that I'm looking at right here, it looks a little bit more like brick color. Maybe that's not gonna be the case when I upload it, but right now it looks a little brick in person. It's got a red hint to it, but it's pretty ashy at the same time. We're gonna go ahead and put it on. So here is Play It Cool on my lips. And their applicator is really fluffy, which is nice. I mean, it's soft when you're putting it on, but because of that, it's hard to get a nice clean line. I really do suggest lining your lips before applying this. All right, so now let's talk about my feelings overall with the box. Of course, we got our money's worth. We got $130 worth of items for $25. You're always gonna recoup your $25 value for an Ipsy Glam bag plus. However, I'm still disappointed because I picked a palette and I didn't receive a palette. So I don't like if you're gonna give me a choice and then I choose an item and then I don't get the item that I chose. I feel like that's a little unfair and a little disappointing. Out of the items that I received, this mascara from Ciate London I think is the best item. The longer this lipstick is on my lips, the drier it is feeling, and I'm really wanting to put some lip gloss on. Well, that was everything I got in my box. I'd love to hear what you guys got in your box. If you guys got the palette and if you guys like the palette. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I hope that you guys are all having a very safe COVID-19 quarantine, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!